DTEC Systems is the world's leader in electronic leak detection. ELD pinpoints breaches in exposed roofing membranes. In the event of an active leak, forensic ELD can be used to pinpoint the source of moisture intrusion in the roof membrane. Typically, with active roof leaks, a visual inspection and seam probing are performed. Moisture surveys such as infrared thermography or capacitance may also be performed. These methods only determine anomalies such as trapped moisture and not the breach in the membrane. Forensic ELD pinpoints the breach in the membrane. In an existing roof with an active leak, water has penetrated breaches in the membrane, saturated through the roof assembly, and entered the building. Forensic ELD applies a low-voltage electrical current to the surface of a wet membrane. The IntegraScan equipment must be connected to a metallic penetration fastened into the structural deck. At the location of a breach, electricity flows through the puncture and touches the wet roof material below the membrane. The moisture within the roof carries the electrical current to the conductive deck. When the equipment passes over a breach, it will produce an audible and visual alert. Breaches are pinpointed and then marked for repair. Breaches located should be repaired and retested. Transitions, details, and verticals are tested using the vertical roller. Forensic ELD extends the life of the roof by identifying the source of moisture intrusion. The IntegraScan quickly and effectively pinpoints breaches, saving time and money for all parties involved.